When we are doing transformations of points, the main thing that we need to know is which direction that the transformation is going to affect. Is it going to affect the x direction, or is it going to affect the y direction? In this first one, we have translation, so we're either going to be going left or right, up or down. The x direction is going to be affected by left and right movements, and the y direction is going to be affected by the up and down movements. When we move left, we're going towards negative numbers, so we're going to be subtracting. When we go right, we'll be heading towards positive numbers, so we'll be adding. Likewise, for the up and the down, when we go up, we're going to the positive y's, so we'll be adding, and when we go down, we go to the negative y's, so we will be subtracting. So here in our first table, it says to translate 4 units left and 2 units up. So the left direction affects the x, and the up direction affects the y. So we're going to go left, so I'm going to take all of my x's, and I'm going to subtract the 4 units from each one. So I'm going to have negative 7, subtract 4 to get negative 11. Then positive 4, subtract 4 for 0. Positive 2, subtract 4 for negative 2. Negative 3, subtract 4 for negative 7. And 1, subtract 4 for negative 3. Now when I change my y's, I'm going to be going up. So I'm going to be adding the 2 units to each point. So I'm going to have 0 plus 2, and that'll give me 2. Negative 5 plus 2 will give me negative 3. 9 plus 2 will give me 11. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. And 8 plus 2 would give me 10. So now in the next one, I have translate 7 units right and 1 unit down. So when I go right, that'll be my x, and down will be my y. To go right, that is the positive direction, so I will be adding the 7 units. So each one of these x's, I'm going to add 7 to. So negative 1 plus 7 would give me 6. 4 plus 7 would give me 11. 10 plus 7 gives me 17. Negative 9 plus 7 gives me a negative 2. 6 plus 7 gives me a 13. So now we've moved the point to the right, so now we have to go down. When I go down, I'm going to be subtracting that 1 unit. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 0 minus 1 is negative 1, negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2, and 7 minus 1 is 6.